Welcome to a brand new series right here on Digital Chef ENT. I would like to present to you, welcome to the lab. If this is your first time stepping into Digital Chef ENT, I'm Taryn Williams. Thank you for checking out my YouTube channel. If this is your first time over here, definitely check out some of my other series, The Menu, Side Dish, Indie Insight. I have playthroughs, I have other cooking videos as well. But we're doing something a little brand new here. This will be my test kitchen series. So we're going to take a look at the lab. So for this series, I want to do something a little bit different. I want to experiment with ingredients and techniques and just different products that I don't normally use. So for this episode, we're going to keep it pretty simple. As you see, I already have some chicken wings that are already cleaned and laid out. So I'm not a big fan of lemon pepper. It's well documented. I don't really like lemon pepper, but maybe I don't like because I just haven't used it a whole lot. So for this episode of the lab, we're going to be actually making lemon pepper and garlic salt wings, which I'm really excited about. Trying something a little different. So I'm just keeping it real simple. If you watch some of my other episodes of the menu, my seasoned chicken is usually seasoned salt, black pepper, onion powder, and that's usually about it. Maybe you got to throw in some garlic powder here and there. But it's usually my holy trinity of seasoned salt, black pepper, onion powder. And I season a lot of things like that. But for this, I want to do something a little different. I'm a big fan of lemon pepper. I figured lemon pepper would be a great way to start. Also, instead of breading my chicken with flour, I'm actually going to be using cornstarch. Something a little different. It's supposed to give it like a little flakier texture, a little crunchier. So we're going to see. So first, I'm going to season my chicken wings. Excuse me as I put on my gloves. I'm just going to season it just, lemon pepper and garlic salt. That's it. And the lemon pepper and the garlic salt also have like other ingredients in them. There's a little bit of onion powder and some other stuff. And each seasoning, so we're going to see how these turn out. Again, this is called the lab, so we're just trying out different things. Things might not go as planned, some things might suck, but that's what it's all here for, So the importance of a test kitchen is that a lot of corporations have test kitchens when they're trying new products, new ingredients, and so before the consumer gets to it, they test it out. So this is me trying out things that I just don't know what to do. See if I like them, if I don't like them, Not too intense. But because I know I don't really do a lot with lemon pepper, I figured, why not just start off with lemon pepper. And I do love garlic salt. There's actually going to be, so I actually have a food blog. You can check it out on SlicingDicingGamingEntertainment.com, same shameless plug. And it's called The Pantry. And I cover some of my favorite ingredients that I like to use. And garlic salt, I'm going to do a garlic salt post. Maybe this week I'll do my garlic salt post. But there's one on liquid smoke, crushed red pepper flakes, and chives. So definitely go over to SlicingDicingGaming.com as well and check out The Pantry for my food blog. Okay, I'm just going to rub my wings, put seasoning on one side, and then turn them over. And then season the other side. You can't season only one side. That's sacrilegious. Probably blasphemous. But I definitely want you guys to commentate on this video a lot. Just tell me, what you guys use lemon pepper for. How much do you love lemon pepper? Because I know I'm going to get some hate for my lemon pepper hate. But just tell me what you like to use lemon pepper for, how much you love it, or even if you dislike it. And what things you like to season your chicken wings with. Because if it's something kind of unique, you might see an episode of the lab about it. So, I want this to be very community friendly. I want this to be very community engaging. Flip these bad boys over. And I'll see you do like those. There's actually also salt in the garlic pepper, like a little bit of salt. So I don't want to put too much garlic salt on them because I don't want my chicken to be extra salty. So I'm gonna take out my first batch of wings. They actually fried up really nice. I'm really excited about how they fried up. So yeah, so these wings are just lemon pepper, garlic salt, and then cornstarch. Yeah, these are really nice. So I might put cornstarch in the rotation. Actually, at my job, we actually mix a little bit of cornstarch with our flour. We do our shrimp flour, so I might actually do a mixture of flour and cornstarch. Here's the first batch. Then we'll fry up the second batch, pin them up, and then we'll finish this episode of The Lab. So here are my finished lemon pepper and garlic salt wings. They turned out really well. I really like the crunch and the color that the cornstarch gave them. The seasoning is really well balanced. You get a little bit of the citrus of lemon pepper, but it's not overpowering. And you get a little bit of garlic and a little bit some of the salt. So they're seasoned really well. I love the crunch. You get a nice golden brown because the cornstarch. They're really juicy. They're not dry. All in all, this is a positive verdict for the very first episode of The Lab. So thank you for checking out this inaugural episode of The Lab, my test kitchen. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell me how you feel about lemon pepper. What do you use lemon pepper with? Because I'm curious, because I don't use it a whole lot, so maybe I'll experiment a little bit more with it. Of course, you can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I have all those links in the description. Also, you can check out the Facebook page. Just look up Digital Chef on Facebook. It should be the #1 ranked page. So that's a really high honor, and I'm really blessed about that. So thanks for checking out this inaugural episode of The Lab. Once again, always and forever, slicing, dicing, gaming. It's not just a motto, it's a lifestyle. Thank you so much for checking out this brand new series. I'll see you in the next video. Later.